What's up? Dylan with No Limits here at Vertical Drop in Zanesfield, Ohio. Today, we're going to be talking about carving skis. Carving skis are designed for aggressive, high-angle on-piste turns. With an underfoot ranging from about 70 to 80 millimeters, this type of ski is meant exclusively for the hardpack. Carving skis are notoriously stiff, giving them incredible stability at speed and enabling for quicker turns. A carving ski will traditionally have a full camber profile with pronounced side cuts, allowing you to achieve a super deep carve. Carving skis also have a smaller turn radius, meaning that they can perform super short and snappy turns that other skis can't. All of these factors create a ski that tears up the groomers and gives a really nice edge-to-edge experience for the skier. But of course, every ski has its weakness. A carving ski put in any other condition than a groomed hardpack run will underperform. Because of its small waist, this ski is going to sink in any loose snow, and because of its stiffness, it won't be as playful as any other type of ski. A carving ski is like the sports car of skiing. They're quick, maneuverable, and agile, but they're not meant to go off-road. If you like going fast, carving hard, and tearing up the groomers, carving ski is going to be the ski for you. If you're ever skiing at Mad River here in Ohio, make sure to stop by Vertical Drop for all your ski and snowboard needs. They've got the best price on rentals and a ton of gear available.